How to sell from Etsy on other websites due to Pinterest with 0 followers. How to fill out Pinterest account to sell more products in 2024-2025. Hi guys, this is Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Check out this step-by-step video tutorial for beginners.
Number 1. Pinterest account name and description. Mistakes. Guys, don't forget in settings, add settings, business account on Pinterest. After that, think about name of your Pinterest account. It's so much important. If you sell products using your name, this is your keyword. It's good. If you sell regular physical products, then add main keyword in your products in the name of your Pinterest account. Click here, add dash, and after that this new Etsy seller sell metal wall art, metal wall decor, and if number 1 metal wall art, after fancy wall 06 dash, add metal wall art. What about description? Click on description. On the first place, add your main keyword of your items. It's so much important. Start your Pinterest account description with main keywords. Add secondary one that's important to you in this text, inside this text. Why so important? Guys, go to Pinterest profiles, click, write metal wall art, and you will see Pinterest account with metal wall art in the name. Due to this word, your Pinterest account will be found. In my Pinterest ebook, First Steps, I write about 7 types of searches on Pinterest, but keyword search is the main and most important on Pinterest. Pinterest bots. What bots you should create and how to name them. Create a Pinterest bots for each type of product you sell. Name the bot with the main keyword. For example, click on plus right here, click on plus, create bot, click on this save bot, and after that on this bot click on pencil and choose right name and right description to your name and description of your Pinterest bots. For example, it's be visible like this. On first place must be main keywords that you sell from this bot, and in the description write something much more bigger. Watch about this bot using these main keywords. It's so much important, guys. For example, fancy walls 06. Use right name of the bot, but don't use what description of bots. It's so much important. For example, new Etsy seller need to add on Pinterest group bots what he sell much more about. It must be metal wall art and different sizes, color, maybe some type of this metal wall art in this description must be true, because it's so much important for search engines on Pinterest and in Google and for others. This bot will be much more visible on Pinterest with right name and right description of your bots. It's so much important. Guys, which Pinterest bot do you need to promote much more faster your new Pinterest account? For example, on first place, add your Pinterest bots with your items, what you sell, what you promote. Click on these two pins. After that, click custom, and after that, you could move these Pinterest bots from first place, second place, move this. And on first place, your items. On the second place, add items, Pinterest bots with items that you don't produce, but your potential customers looking for. Maybe it's passion for your potential customers. It's something another. For example, artisan from fancy walls 06 produce metal wall art. Maybe his potential customers trying to find some new beautiful furniture. Maybe it's some recipes, maybe it's something about wedding. Guys, you need to think about your potential customers. And on second place, add Pinterest bots that potential customers are looking for besides your products. It's so much important. It's help you promote much more faster your new Pinterest account. Pinterest group bots, how to be added. Guys, it's my Pinterest group bots. For example, one person create Pinterest group bots on a specific topic and add authors to their group bots so they can save pins and have much more views, much more sales. But owners of Pinterest group bots scare something. For example, if you have huge Pinterest group bots, so many new authors want to share pins to this bot, but owners of Pinterest group bots are variety of spammers, empty accounts, and manually check out every Pinterest account to their bots. That's why, guys, empty Pinterest accounts are not to be added to group bots. Before applying to be added to Pinterest bot, completely fill your Pinterest account. Make it live. Show that you're actively working. And after that, how to find owner the Pinterest group bot? Click on this plus. Number one will be Pinterest group bots. Follow own this Pinterest group bots, follow, and after that contact or write how owner of this group bots write under this account or group bots. Guys, group bots can be found on Pinterest using keywords, but it's a long job. If you want to save time, download my list of 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers. How to create pin, most important things. Guys, if you are sell from Etsy, so much important, go to your listings, find your listing, click on your listing and click share and save. Use this link. This link so much important. Copy this link, save some money, pay less for Etsy fees. And why it's so much important on Pinterest? For example, my pin with this link, how to sell crafts Etsy.com, and you will see my Pinterest account. If you click on my Pinterest account, you will go to my Pinterest account and see my pins. Guys, so much important. Example, if a new Etsy seller use Fancy Wall 06, use standard link, you will see on Pinterest name of your Etsy shop and Etsy, and click on this and you will see not your Pinterest account, but you will see Etsy Pinterest account. Guys, to promote your Pinterest account inside Pinterest platform, use this link from share and save from Etsy. It's so much important. Guys, don't forget, choose a right ratio, right size for your pin. Click on pencil. After that, click canvas. After that, choose portrait. Pinterest love much more longer pins. It's ratio 9:16:3, for example. You could choose back any color, for example, and you could choose any text. Write your text, write your main keywords, write your something interesting about your products, write here, for example, and delete, and after that click done. Guys, don't forget, Pinterest is search engine. Keywords are so much important on Pinterest. If you need help with Pinterest, read my ebook How to Use Pinterest for Etsy, First Steps for Beginners, and good sale on this set from 3 listings now, 40% off, and really good proposition. Guys, I use my Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers list. All listings update in 2024. And if you have any questions about Pinterest, Etsy, if you need help, write under this video. With you, Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts.